And before we continue with the day's business story, I want to take you live to our top story this afternoon that is currently unfolding at the corridors of justice. As you can see, those are live images from the Milimani Law Courts. Let's listen into the proceedings that are currently ongoing.
Where were you on the 26th of August 2024?
My lord, on that particular day I was in Coast Province. I was in Mombasa, Lamu, and Boni Enclave, my lord.
Okay. Now, look at paragraph 18. You are supposed to appear in court on the 29th of August, 2024, paragraph 18.
Yes, my lord.
Can you tell the court where you are on the 29th of August, 2024?
I was at Mpegetoni and the Boni Enclave as at large, those areas of Uluko, my lord.
Okay. On the 3rd of September 2024, that's on paragraph 19, did you send a representative to court?
Yes, my lord.
Who did you send?
My representative, my legal, Mr. Otiende, my lord.
Okay. And where were you on the 3rd of September 2024?
On that very day, my lord, I was still on those borders of Kenya-Somalia border, the Shakani and Boni Enclave.
Okay. Let's go to paragraph 21. Where were you on the 4th of September 2024?
On this particular day, my lord, I was en route to the northern Kenya, part of Kenya, my lord.
Then you were supposed to attend court on the 5th of September 2024. That's paragraph 22. Where were you on the 5th of September 2024?
On this particular date, my lord, I was in Mandera, that is northeastern region, and I had also sent my director legal, Mr. Otiende, to send me, my lord.
Now, on the 9th of September, you were supposed to be in court personally. Can you tell this court where you are? Paragraph 24.
My lord, still on this date, I was still in northeastern and particularly in Wajir, those areas of Uluko, Korfaran, and Konto, my lord.
Uluko?
Uluko, Korfaran, Korfaran, Konto, and Karsa.
My lord, may I proceed? Paragraph, we're referring to paragraphs 24 and 25. Yes, but he was meant to be in court, my lord. Yes, he's on oath and he was meant to be in court.
The last area is
Karsa, my lord. Those are FOBs, the forward operating bases for the officers in the northeastern, my lord.
Okay. Then you were sentenced on the 13th of September when you were meant to be in court. Can you indicate to the court where you are then? On the 13th of September 2024?
On that very day, my lord, I was still on my way now downwards because from Wajir we had to come back to those sides of Karisa, and in Karisa we had to traverse to those forward operating phases of our officers like in Wilmerel and Fafi, my lord.
Now, was your failure to come to court deliberate or a deliberate act of lack of respect for the court?
My lord, it was not a deliberate failure because I had also requested my assistant to come and represent me and the legal officer to do the same.
Now, this petition relates to missing persons who are petitioner number 2, 3, and 4. Bob Njagi, Jamil Longton, and Aslam Longton.
Yes, my lord.
Have they been in police custody at all?
My lord, they've not been in police custody, and I just learned this morning from Repo Harvey that they've been found, my lord.
So you learned from who that they've been found?
Still retired. Emeritus LSK.
Is that honorable? We were he attempted. He attempted.
I learned from the Emeritus LSK President.
My lord is honorable. I don't know why they are
been found.
I learned that those people have been found from Harvey, my lord, this morning.
And how did you learn? Where did he say it?
He said it before this court, my lord.
Okay. Did he describe the condition in which they are?
I did not get it clear, my lord.
Okay. So, now that we are here,
just a minute.
sorry, my lord.
Look now that Islamic
Yes.
is that factual? What you told us?
Yes.
Is it factual? Hello, I will cross-examine. Yes, it's true. I stated in court that their report have been released. The report was made by the president of the law side of Kenya. It should alarm everybody that the president of the law side of Kenya knows that these people are released. And the IG custody.
She heard that. I crossed the
My lord, perhaps you can also tell the court the condition in which they were.
As soon as
Thank you, my lord.
we finish, I cross-examine him.
Now that we are in this situation, what would you like to tell the court?
My lord, I want to thank you for the opportunity of holding me to start before you. Before I say anything, my lord, I would like to apologize to the Lordship and the judiciary for the events that have transpired, leading to the orders of this court. My Lord, I respect you and all our gods for the good work that you do to uphold the rule of law. As a police officer, it is my duty to enforce court orders and ensure that court orders are obeyed. I pray, my Lord, that this court accepts my apology, vacates conviction and sentence. So I pray, my Lord.
That's all, my Lord.
My Lord, I was asked to hold Mr. Kiara's brief for the 5th. No, I just want to be on record. I'm holding Mr. Kiara's brief for the 5th respondent.
We are satisfied. We are satisfied, I think. I don't think there is any questions from our side.
We are satisfied.
Yep.
Correct. Shadrach Mosema.
My Lord, I will take less than 5. Let me distribute the rest of my IG.
My Lord, say.
These 3 Kenyans, Bob Misheni Jagi, Jamil Longton, and Asma Longton. You know them?
I don't know them, my Lord.
When did you come to hear of them?
I had them when it was reported in the Kela, and the signal was circulated by the OCS to all OCS in Kenya of the missing person, my Lord.
How long ago was that?
The date you've mentioned, my Lord.
Pardon?
The date you've just mentioned, my Lord.
No.
That was on the 19th August, my Lord.
19th of August.
Yes,
They're about, isn't it?
yes, my Lord.
Between 19th of August and today, how many days are those?
Around 1 month, my Lord.
Around 1 month. What efforts, if any, have been made by the National Police Service to trace these 3?
My Lord, immediately it was reported. The signal was sent throughout the country to all OCS. The investigation was opened and started immediately and still is live. The investigation is on. Just we appealed to the public also to assist us on where they could be found, my Lord.
Do you have any report, preliminary or final, insofar as those investigations are concerned?
Come again, my Lord.
Do you have any report, preliminary or final insofar as the investigations are concerned?
What I know, my lord, is that the investigation is still on, and they've not been found, as this morning when I was coming to this court, my lord.
When did you wake up this morning?
A bit early, my lord. It was at 0.
Okay. So when did you set off to come to this court?
My lord, I came to this court very early because I was supposed to start at 9, and by 8 I was here, my lord.
No, Masengeli. I can speak in Kibukusu if you want to. My question is, when did you set off to come to court?
Set off from where, my lord?
Wherever you are.
At 0800, I set off from my office, headed to the money courts, my lord.
By then, had you received any briefings insofar as these three are concerned?
My lord, I received the briefings that they had not yet been found. That was the brief that I had received, because there was no new brief that I had gotten from the weekend. But if there has been, from here, I'll go and confirm from our police stations if any has been made, my lord.
So if that be the case, it is your confirmation that you have not complied with the habeas corpus order to produce this.
My lord, we did not have them in our custody, my lord.
Now listen, don't answer your question, answer my question. There was an order directed at you to produce these three. So have you complied with the order? You can say yes or no, and if you say no, then you explain why you've not. You, please, get out of that place. My lord, this gentleman, the short gentleman, is giving the tall gentleman answers.
My lord, I was standing next to him, and nothing of that sort has happened.
You know, they've taken us through a charade. We will not be party to this nonsense.
It's not nonsense. Is that
My lord,
My lord, I request that these people move away from the witness. Miller can remain, but these individuals can move away from the witness.
Yes, I do, madam. Sure.
Yeah, and I'll be brief. I want to ask the last question. Mr. Masengeli, look at the court, listen to my question and give the answer. There was an order directed at you to produce these three in court. You're aware of that order?
I'm aware, my lord.
Have you produced these three in court?
I've not, my lord, because...
It's okay. You have not produced them in court.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
I don't have them, my lord. And they are not within the police cells, my lord.
Okay. But that's a sufficient answer. Thank you so much, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli. That's all for me.
you have used 13 minutes?
Let's get into the questions. I have very few questions as usual, my lord. Yes, on record for the petitioner. Good afternoon, Mr. Masengeli.
Good afternoon, my lord.
I have very few questions for you. When you took office, did you swear to protect the rule of law?
Yes, my lord.
Do you think you're above the law?
No.
No, my lord.
Do you think your conduct allows you to continue holding public office, Mr. Masengeli?
Yes, my lord.
The conduct of not obeying the rule of law allows you to hold office.
Here I am, my lord. I have obeyed.
That is it for me, my lord. Silence, please.
I know the request had two questions.